Eagles, hawks, owls, falcons, undoubtedly some of the most impressive bird species we'll ever witness. With their sharp claws and keen eyesight, they are stellar hunters. But did you know they are quite competent communicators as well? Their presence, or lack thereof, speaks volumes about a region's biodiversity. While these birds often occupy a range of varying habitats, they react noticeably to changes in land, climate, and availability of prey. In this way, they can effectively reveal some of the environmental impacts of human actions. If we ignore what they tell us, we will watch these bird populations fade. But if we listen, if we heed the messages, then we can strive to maintain a diverse environment for the benefit of all.